I'd now like to set up this GitHub project to be hosted. So I want to use GitHub as a web host. Now this step is not necessary if you're not planning on using GitHub as a host, if you just want to store your code here for collaboration purposes. But since I'm planning on using something called GitHub Pages, which allows me to host static websites and Jekyll-based websites, then I need to do a little bit of a setup. So I'm going to start in my GitHub application here, and I want to go to branches. And branches allow us to create copies of our code. There's a video on that you can watch. But if we want to host our website, GitHub expects a very specific branch. So right here you can see there's a plus button. Let's press on that, and the branch we want to create is called exactly GH-Pages. All lowercase, no spaces, separate the words with a dash. So I'm going to click branch right here, and next I'm going to press publish. So this will send that branch up to the GitHub website. If we go and look on our website here, on the GitHub website, we should now see in the list GH-Pages, which is good. Since I want this project to be hosted on GitHub, I may not necessarily need my master branch. So the next thing we want to do is go to settings, and right here I want to change master to GH-Pages. So I'm setting GH-Pages as the default. Now that GH-Pages has become the default branch, I can go back to my application and I can delete master by pressing here. So I'm going to delete master. So the only branch that I now have is GH-Pages. And if we go back and check the GitHub website here, you should notice that it says instantly right away GH-Pages. So our website is completely, or our project, our GitHub project is completely set up to be a hosted website on GitHub using GitHub Pages.